So on a less than sunny day, let me just turn that off for a second. We don't want to be wasting valuable battery power here, do we? Sun's coming out, and guess what we're doing? All the way up to there. Right off the sun today. So, Max is solar powered today for the first time ever. On a very dull day. I've got to say that's quite respectable. So there's two 100 watt solar panels on the roof. Yeah, we're doing okay there, Max. We're doing alright. The wiring's got to be tidied up. But it was a busy old day today. Get everything wired through the bodywork. So about 13.2 volts, 13.1 volts, something like that. There you go, 13.2 very briefly, because on a very dull day. There's so much cloud cover, so that's quite respectable, I think. So we'll leave that trickle charging itself away. Obviously that's going to be stuck up on the side here with the inverter and a few other bits and bobs, fuse panel and things like that. But yeah, not bad today, well done.